Simulab's ultrasound thoracentesis model is anatomically correct, with landmarks that can be palpated and viewed under ultrasound. The simulated partial torso includes skin, scapula, ribs, and spinous process, which are all integrated into the model's replaceable tissue. The pleural space, which can be filled with fluid, includes a diaphragm and a replaceable lung. The lung and diaphragm can be seen as echogenic structures, and the lung is equipped with an inflation mechanism so that the size of the pleural effusion can be adjusted. The model also features an open top, which enables the instructor to provide feedback on procedural concepts by allowing students to visualize the catheter depth and placement within the pleural cavity. The thoracentesis procedure can be completed repeatedly on the model's durable tissue, including full cannulation and the removal of fluid. During the procedure, a pop will be felt when the pleura is penetrated, and the tissue will respond to the Thoracentesis catheter drainage system's color safety indicator. A positive fluid flow will confirm that the pleural effusion was accurately accessed. Thank you for your interest in the ultrasound thoracentesis model. Contact Simulab today for more information.